Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial we are gonna look at how to search for movies or series in Crackle. Now let us begin. Do you note that in order to simply search for movies, you guys don't even need to be signed up? Well, let's simply focus on how to search for movies. At the top on the navbar, if you scroll to the right section, you can see a button like this called as Search. Click on it, and once you do, you will be redirected to this section. Well, from here, as you guys can see, you can simply scroll through the movie genres along with the TV show genres. But right now, all you guys need to do is simply search for something. As you guys can see, as soon as I search for it, the results will be displayed to me. And guys, that is it. That's how we search for any movie or series in Crackle. As you guys can see, the process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.